Dave, can you wrap the cord up for Daddy? Is that your cord?
Yeah, that's my cord.
That's your cord.
Yeah. That's not your cord.
It's not my cord. Doing a good job, aren't you?
That's right.
Ah. It's tidier than Daddy can do it. Oh, was it not good enough?
It's not good enough.
Ah.
It's not going.
Ah. You're a legend. So when are you going to work for Daddy? Hey? I'm a little engineer. What do you reckon? You happy with that one? Safe?
And what that?
You happy with that one?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.